Hey, so in this video, we are going to talk about how to make money as a teenager. If you're a teen interested in earning some money on your own, you're not alone. Many teens are looking for ways they can make money to cover expenses. I mean, there are things to buy: clothes, entertainment costs, electronic gadgets. Plus, it's good to save up for cars, college costs, and other big purchases. We've got a long list of ways for teens to make money fast. Choose the ones you think work best for you and start earning today. Number 1. Rent your video games. If you've got a lot of video games or books, you can rent them to friends for a small fee. Charge them a certain amount to rent the item for a week or two, and make sure to tell them there will be a late fee if the item isn't returned to you on time. Keep a notebook listing of who has what items and when they're due back so that you don't lose track of your stuff. Number 2. Help a senior. Many older people are looking to hire young people for various jobs. They might just wish to have someone to spend time with them. Or they may want a teen to read to them, play cards, other games, or simply just talk to them. Check with local retirement communities to find work. See if they have a job posting board where you can offer your services. Number 3. Dog walking. If you're looking to earn money by helping animals but want a less time-intensive job, you could offer dog walking services. Many people don't have time to walk their dogs, but they want their dogs to get exercise. These people will pay a decent hourly rate to have someone else walk their dog a few times a week. Advertise your services with neighborhood flyers on your neighborhood Facebook page or at local pet stores. If you're walking dogs that can get along with other dogs, you can walk several at once and increase your income. An organized schedule will help you keep track of your dog walking job commitments. Number 4. Sell your stuff. Is your closet loaded with items you no longer need? Or do you have games or Legos collecting dust? Consider selling them to make money. For instance, do you have video games, DVDs, or CDs lying around? See what you can get for them on a site like Declutter, which makes it super easy to get rid of a lot of items quickly. If you don't want the hassle of selling items one by one, then Declutter can be a great option. Their app allows you to scan items you want to sell, then sends you a box to ship them out. To make the most money, selling your items one by one will get you the greatest amount of cash in hand. The general rule for selling used stuff is to charge 10% of the retail cost. For example, if your Lego Friends set cost $60, then sell it for $6. Also look on eBay to check for competitive pricing. Number 5. Stream on Twitch.tv. Twitch TV is a place where people live stream themselves playing video games and doing other things. As a streamer, you can earn money from ads, subscribers, donations, and more. Some of the most popular streamers earn thousands of dollars a month or more. For example, Ninja, one of the top streamers on Twitch, makes millions each year from the platform. Although building an audience on Twitch can take some time, if you stick with it and enjoy what you're doing, the payoff can be massive. Plus, who doesn't want to get paid to play video games all day? Number 6. Get paid to search the web and play games. Swagbucks is a legit site where people get paid for browsing the internet and more. The points you earn are put into a bank and can be redeemed for gift cards to be used on Amazon or at local and online stores such as Walmart, Target, and Old Navy. You can also get gift cards for PayPal. Swagbucks will pay you points to complete small tasks such as complete surveys, play games, search the web, watch videos, and shop online. Using your Swagbucks account in your spare time will allow you to make money to pay for things you need or want. Best of all, it's free to join. Number 7. Turn your hobbies into cash. Do you have a hobby that you can make money with? Are you good at drawing people or animals? Do you know how to make great videos? Are you gifted at creating logos for businesses? Are you great at writing stories or poems? Make a list of the talents you have and offer to hire out for them. You can advertise via local ads or on websites such as Fiverr, which allows you to list job offerings or search out jobs needed for pay from $5 and up. The key to success with sites like Fiverr is to charge an attractive price to potential clients while making sure you are getting paid at a fair rate. You might start out making less than you'd like to with Fiverr. However, if people like your work and your services become more in demand, you'll be able to raise your rates. Number 8. Tutor kids. Many parents are looking for reasonable priced tutors for their kids in specific school subjects. If you're a teen who excels in a particular subject such as math, reading, or a foreign language, you can offer your tutoring services to local parents. Ask neighborhood parents if they need a tutor, or check local online sites such as Craigslist for parents looking for tutors. Make sure to involve your parents when meeting up with a potential customer for safety reasons. Number 9. Start a YouTube channel. There are a ton of teenage YouTubers making thousands of dollars per month from YouTube ad revenue. The average YouTube channel makes anywhere from $1 to $20 per 1,000 views, so the earnings can really stack up. Best of all, a 13-year-old can start a YouTube channel. So, if you're someone who would like to enjoy making videos regularly, start now. Starting young gives you a big advantage because you have more time to grow your channel and figure out what types of videos you enjoy creating. Number 10. Get a part-time job. Yes, getting a part-time job is the most obvious way to make money as a teen. But there's a reason for that. Once you're hired, you'll get paid for the hours that you work. It's very low risk and you'll get a guaranteed rate per hour. It's not always fun to work for someone else, but you'll learn a lot through the process. You'll make connections for references, not to mention friends, and gain valuable on-the-job experience that will help you later in life. To find a part-time job, ask friends and family for connections, check websites for job listings, or just ask for a job application. So remember, there are many ways you as a teen can put money in your pocket. With a little creativity and some hard work, you can be earning some serious cash in no time. Have you tried any of these ways to make money as a teen? Tell us in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.